Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss nervous system in general. Nervous system receive information from within the body and from the surrounding environment, and this information is integrated within the brain and make an appropriate response. So sensory information is entered within the brain through afferent fiber, and within the brain coordination is occurred, and some information is stored as the memory, and appropriate response is created here, and this appropriate response is exit through efferent fiber and reach the target organ muscle gland. The summary of the function of the nervous system collects sensory information from external environment and from body, pain, touch, temperature, process of information, integrations, thinking, creation, judgment, and appropriate response, voluntary motor activity. Classification of the nervous system anatomically: central nervous system, brain and spinal cord; peripheral nervous system, cranial nerve, spinal nerve, autonomic nerve. This is brain, this is spinal cord, this is the part of the central nervous system, this is the inner surface of the brain showing 12 pair cranial nerves, and this is spinal cord showing spinal nerve 31 pairs of spinal nerve. The parts of the brain: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. And forebrain is derived from the prosencephalon, midbrain from mesencephalon, and hindbrain from rhombencephalon. The classification of the nervous system functionally: somatic nervous system control voluntary activity, skeletal muscle; autonomic nervous system control involuntary structure such as heart, smooth muscle, gland within the body. The composition of the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is composed by the neuron and neuroglia. The parts of neuron is the nerve cell body. This is the nerve cell body, and this is the processes. These are the dendrites, and this is axon. The histological feature of the neuron: nerve cell body contains centrally placed spherical, unusually large, euchromatin rich nucleus with a prominent nucleolus. Nacelle body are the specialized organelle found in neuron formed by the rough endoplasmic reticulum, iron, and free ribosome. The complete pamphlets arranged around the periphery of the nucleus. The mitochondria are found throughout the cell body, dendrites and axon. They are spherical and rod shaped. Axon hillock. It is the area of the cell body which is free of large cytoplasmic organelle. It is a landmark to distinguish between axon and dendrites in both light and electron microscopic picture. The axon hillock is devoid of Nacell's body. Neurofilament 10 nanometer in diameter. Microfilament 3 to 5 nanometer in diameter are formed of actin. Neurofilament are concentrated at the periphery of the cytoplasm, just beneath the plasma membrane. Microtubule 25 nanometer in diameter. They extend throughout the cell body and processes. In the axon, all the microtubules are arranged in parallel. This is the fluorescence staining picture, and the greenish area is indicate the lysosomal marker, and red area indicate the mitochondrial marker. This is the electron microscopic picture showing the centrioles. Centrioles are also found in mature nerve cell, where they are believed to be involved in maintenance of the microtubule. The lipofuscin, yellowish brown granule within the cytoplasm, which is formed as a result of lysosomal activity, a harmless metabolic byproduct. The myelin ganglion are found in cytoplasm of the cell in certain part of the brain. It is related to the formation of neurotransmitter dopamine. Example: substantia nigra of the midbrain. Axon and dendrites. Dendrites are receptor process that receive stimuli from the other neuron or from the external environment. Axon are effector process that transmit stimuli to another neuron or effector cell. Classification of the neuron. According to the polarity, neuron can be classified pseudo-unipolar, multipolar and bipolar. Pseudo-unipolar means there is a when the process is one, this is known as the pseudo-unipolar, and bipolar when the process are two, one axon and one dendrite, and multipolar means when there is a several dendrite and one axon. Classification of the neuron according to the size. Golgi type 1 single long axon. Location fiber tract of the brain and spinal cord, peripheral nerves and motor cells of the spinal cord. Golgi type 2 short axon that with dendrites resemble a star. Location cerebral and cerebellar cortex. This is the Golgi 2 type neuron and this is the Golgi type 1 neuron. According to the function, neuron are two types: sensory neuron, motor neuron. Motor neuron are multipolar neuron and sensory neuron are pseudo-unipolar and bipolar neuron. Sensory neuron, the receptor ending, and individual receive impressions from the outside world and from within the body by special sensory nerve ending or receptor. So this end of the sensory neuron is converted into receptor. The neuromuscular junction. This is the multipolar neuron. This is the axon. The terminal end of the axon is modified and form and unite with synapse with the skeletal muscle and from the neuromuscular junction. For voluntary movement, two sides of the neuron are involved: upper motor neuron and lower motor neuron. This is the location of the upper motor neuron and this is the location of the lower motor neuron. The upper motor neuron, the cell body of upper motor neurons are located in the gray matter of the motor area of the cerebral cortex and various nuclei of the basal ganglia and brainstem. Their axon pass through the cerebrum, brainstem and white matter of the spinal cord to make synaptic contact with lower motor neuron. It's regulate movement. This is the location of the lower motor neuron, so lies in the gray matter of the brainstem for the cranial nerves or in the spinal cord for the spinal nerve. The axon of the lower motor neurons goes straight to the striated muscles. It contact group of the muscle. How impulse go from one neuron to another. The synapse. Synapse is the special junction between two or more adjacent neuron. This is the different type of the synapse. Exodendritic. Here axon is synapse with dendrite. Here axon is synapse with the cell body of a neuron. Here axon is synapse with another axon. Here dendrites is synapse with another dendrites. Neuroglias. The neurons of the central nervous systems are supported by several varieties of non-excitable cells which together are called the neuroglia. They are smaller than the neuron. The number of them is 5 to 10 times greater than the neuron. There are 4 types of neuroglia present in the central nervous system and 2 types in the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, the name of the neuroglia is astrocyte. There are 2 types: fibrous astrocyte, protoplasmic astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, microglia, ependyma. In peripheral nervous system, Schwann cell, satellite cell. Neuroglia of the central nervous system, astrocyte. The astrocyte are star-shaped cell, have small cell body with branching process that extend in all directions. The fibrous astrocytes are found mainly in the white matter and processes are long, slender, smooth, not much branch. So this is the fibrous astrocyte. The protoplasmic astrocytes are mainly found in the gray matter. Processes are shorter, thicker, more branched, and many of the processes of astrocyte end in expansion on the blood vessel, where they form a almost complete covering on the external surface of the capillary. So this is the protoplasmic astrocyte. In human, a single astrocyte cell can interact with up to 2 million synapses at a time. Ependyma. Ependymal cells line the cavities of the ventricles in the brain and the central canal of the spinal cord. They form a single layer of the cell that are cubital or columnar in shape and process microvilli and cilia. Cilia are motile and contribute to the flow of the CSF. Ependymal cells divide into three groups: ependymocytes, tanycytes, and choroidal epithelial cell. Microglia. Microglia are the type of the neuroglia located throughout the brain and spinal cord. Microglia account for 10 to 15% of the all cells found within the brain. They are the smallest of the neuroglial cells and are found scattered throughout the central nervous system. They contain small cell body with wavy branching process that give off numerous spine-like projection. As the resident macrophage cell, they act as the first and main form of the active immune defense in the central nervous system. They increase in number in the presence of damaged nerve tissue. Oligodendrocyte. Oligodendrocytes are a type of large glial cell found in the central nervous system. Oligodendrocytes have a small cell body, few delicate processes, no cytoplasmic filaments. They produce the myelin sheath insulating neuronal axon present within the central nervous system. Neuroglia of the peripheral nervous system. Schwann cell. Schwann cell are varieties of the glial cells that keep the peripheral nerves alive. In myelinated axon, Schwann cell form the myelin sheath. The sheath is not continuous. So this is the oligodendrocyte, causes myelinations of the axon in the central nervous system. This is the Schwann cell, it causes myelinations in the peripheral nervous system. Satellite cell. Satellite glial cells are glial cells that cover the surface of the neuron cell body in ganglia of the peripheral nervous system. Thus they are found in sensory, sympathetic and parasympathetic ganglia. Satellite cell also act as a protective cushioning cell. This is the function of the neuroglia. Astrocyte form blood-brain barrier. Oligodendrocyte causes myelinations of the nerve fiber in the central nervous system. Ependymal cells secrete, circulate and absorb CSF. Microglia, phagocytic functions in the inflamed brain, and Schwann cell myelination of the nerve fiber in the peripheral nervous system. Satellite cell, they supply nutrient to the surrounding neuron and also have some structural function. These are the development of the neuroglia. Astrocyte. The development of the neuroglia: astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, ependymal cell, and are derived from the neuroectoderm. Microglia derived from the mesoderm, and Schwann cell and satellite cell are derived from the neural crest. What is myelination? Axon of the neuron is covered by sheath which are modified cell membrane of the Schwann cell in peripheral nervous system and oligodendrocyte in the central nervous system. The function of the myelinations: it's act as an insulator, help in impulse conduction. What is gray matter and white matter? Gray matter is composed of nerve cell body, neuroglia, blood vessel. White matter, processes of the neuron, neuroglia and blood vessel. So this is the central nervous system, distributions of the gray matter, nerve cell body, neuroglia, blood vessels, and this is the white matter, inner white matter, composed of nerve cell process, neuroglia and blood vessels. On the spinal cord, the distributions of the gray matter and white matter is like this. That's the inner gray matter and outer white matter. So this is the nerve cell body, this is nucleus, this is nucleolus, this is neuroglia, this is the white matter, this is the neuroglia, this is the axon, this is myelinations. So location of the gray matter and white matter in the central nervous system: in the cerebrum and cerebellum, outer gray matter, inner white matter; in spinal cord, inner gray matter, outer white matter. Nerve versus tract. So nerve and tract both are the axons. The part of the axon outside the central nervous system is known as the nerve, and axon within the central nervous system is known as the tract. So some nerves carry sensory information. This is sensory nerve when it enters within the central nervous system, and this is known as the ascending tract. Some axon carry motor impulse, and this is also known as the descending tract, and when it exits the central nervous system, this is known as the motor nerve. So organizations of the nerve: this is nerve fiber, is formed by the axon, myelin sheath, and surrounded by a connective tissue sheath, endoneurium. And this is the bundle of nerve formed by the several nerve fiber, and it's surrounded by the perineurium. These are the bundle of the nerve fiber, bundle of nerve, and this is surrounded by another connective tissue sheath, epineurium. This is the organizations of the nerve. The classification of the nerve fiber. Nerve fiber are three type: A, B, C. Again divided into several subgroup: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and they have particular functions. Ganglia, a collection of nerve cell body outside the central nervous system. Sensory ganglia of the spinal nerve and cranial nerves, and autonomic ganglia. So this is the autonomic ganglia. This is the dorsal root ganglia. Nucleus, a collection of the nerve cell body of the neurons in the central nervous system, is called the nucleus. Dorsal nucleus of the vagus, nucleus ambiguous, etc. So this is the gray matter, this is white matter, and small collection of the gray matter within the white matter is known as the nucleus. Nucleus contains small collection of nerve cell body, neuroglia, and blood vessels. Difference between somatic and autonomic nervous system. This is the somatic nervous system. The sensory information is first received by the receptor, then it's go through the sensory nerve and reach the dorsal root ganglia, and thus from the central process is communicate with the internucleus neuron, and it can stimulate a motor neuron, and this is the axons of motor neuron, the motor nerve which innervate the skeletal muscle. A muscular contraction is occur. And in autonomic nervous system, there is a two group of neurons is present. One is preganglionic neuron. This is the axon of the preganglionic fiber. This is postganglionic neuron. This is the postganglionic fiber which reach the smooth muscle, is innervate the smooth muscle, and smooth muscle contraction of the smooth muscle is occur, and sensation is collected from the gut wall, and it passes through the sensory nerve and reach the dorsal root ganglia and entered within the central nervous system. So the basic difference is there is a in autonomic nervous system there is a two set of neuron, the preganglionic neuron and this is the postganglionic neuron. This is the locations of the upper motor neuron. This is the locations of lower motor neuron. So in some case, this is the locations of the upper motor neuron and this is the location of lower motor neuron. So function of the upper motor neuron is control the lower motor neuron, but lower motor neuron is always cause contraction of the skeletal muscles. So this is the autonomic nervous system. Here the hypothalamus, this is the head ganglion of autonomic nervous system, and it controls the both the sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So this is the parasympathetic nuclei, preganglionic nuclei present in the brainstem, and this is the autonomic ganglia which contain the postganglionic neuron, and this is the postganglionic fiber which reach the target organ. And in sympathetic nervous system, the this is the head ganglion for sympathetic nervous system, and this is the lateral horn of the gray matter of the spinal cord. Here the locations of the preganglionic neuron, and this is the preganglionic fiber which synapse with the postganglionic neuron which is located within the sympathetic ganglia, and this is the postganglionic fiber which reach the target organ. So these are the basic difference between somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. In somatic nervous system, there is the two set of the neuron, upper motor neuron which mainly control the lower motor neuron, are here the head ganglion of autonomic nervous system is hypothalamus, and this within the hypothalamus the neuron present, and they control the both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. In short, this is the difference between somatic and autonomic nervous system. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.